Got the next one, max health again. We're over essentially 2.4 billion. We're up to 6 million defense absolutist. Can look at some of our other stuff just to get a idea of where everything's at. Alright. Oh, yeah, all of this is maxed out and doesn't really change. You just keep leveling up this passively with the free attack upgrade. And that's the only way the attack has been upgraded since wave 14 when I maxed out the other. So by wave 14 I had critical factor maxed, damage meter maxed, and bouncer shot maxed at 8 meters. Once all those are maxed at wave 14, this has been leveling up passively ever since. Alright.